back with another video. When I first started, but let's just finish the game. Period, honey boo boo. Oh shoot! I dropped that. I was gonna say the other one. Sit down, Madeline. Madeline, sit down. Stop. We fall off the couch. Bro. I have 9, but I just don't like spinning my piece. Ouch. Ooh, I got 10 keys. How do you know I don't? Dude, you have a wife? No. Well, why don't you have a wife? Her turn. 3. That's not very many. Oh, Madeline. She gonna live me. Oh, my milkshake. No, yes. No, me. That's too long. I thought it was. Yes, lock it, honey boo. This is cute. No. Wait, let's restart. No. Yes. No. Yes. So. No. Yes. No. Yeah. Well, yeah. Yes. No. Yes. Well, yeah. Outfit is cool. Yes. No. Yeah, actually, yeah, this one. Yes. No. Actually, yes. And, yeah. 30 keys. Z. I'm gonna have to make like a part 2 of this because the phone is going dead. And trust me, y'all, I'm gonna try to make a part, another Togabook video for Halloween. It's not even for Halloween, but when it's on my mom's birthday, the 27th, on Thanksgiving, I'll make a Thanksgiving one. Bye. Out. Oh, and I'm gonna change my channel name. It's gonna be It's Maddie. So make sure to check out It's Maddie. So it's gonna be It's Maddie. Okay, guys. Bye.